executed. Periodically also, if you can give more and more ideas. Now, better than me, our Ramdev Guruji is here now. He is a best creator. Thakkar is a very good creator. If I give any concept, he will prepare excellent chart and then explain this is how it has been done. At the same time, Ramdev Guruji is having concept and execution plan and resource mobilization. At the end of the day, he will produce outcome. That is his specialty. It's proof of concept. I am very happy with him now. Money is not the issue. I am telling you, we can create wealth. Wealth, if you create wealth, automatically government will get income and jobs. Then with this money I can spend again for poverty eradication, welfare programs. Even I am promoting one concept now, P4. You are all aware, India is very fortunate. 1991, economic reforms have come. Even for economic reforms, responsible person P.V. Narasimha Rao, Telugu man, has introduced economic reforms in this country. He has given a direction for the nation. That is how he has done. After that, technology advantage. For the last three decades, I am promoting technology. Now it has been matured. Now India is blessed with demographic dividend. Aging population, other countries are facing, whereas India is having young, energetic population. These are all the advantages for India now. Now another 10 years time, very inspiring time. So at the same time, I have to mention here a right time, a right leader for the nation, that is Narendra Modi ji. We are proud of him. Very consistent and also very balanced, and also growth is also going very, very stable economy. So everything is very positive, and also I am requesting all of you, time is very important. As our Joint Secretary has rightly mentioned, I am telling you, I am assuring you, your investment is safe. And also you will get better returns. Plan now. If you miss, you will miss the bus forever. Don't miss now. This is an opportunity. Wherever I used to tell from the beginning, those who listen to me, they are all benefited. I started Hyderabad development. I told them what is going to happen after 15-20 years. Today, Hyderabad, those who believed my words, my vision, they are all now very big people. Now India is going to grow. There is no doubt about it. In the growing momentum, what we are doing is not enough. This is where I wanted to make it very clearly. Aim globally, act globally. Distance is not the constraint. And also you have to provide global products. The best products, any product for that matter, tourism, any product, it must be best product, then lot of advantage for us. Ultimately, you have to keep it in mind. Society is giving everything for us. I promoted economic reforms. Second generation reforms I implemented. Today, we are implementing P3, public-private partnership. If you see colleges, if you see roads, telecom, power sector, so many things, even hotels, everybody is coming public-private partnership. In the process, you are charging user charges, you are borrowing money, you are repaying money. you are also benefiting. But what we thought, economic benefits will trickle down to the last mile. Poverty will be eradicated. That is going slowly. In this country, billionaires are emerging. And at the same time, haves and have-nots, the gap is widening. This is the right time all of us has to think.